Here we are, 2-bedroom condo in Cathedral City, California. Contents going for an online auction. This is a bulk sale. Take what you want, leave the rest. And this place is loaded. Look at this. All these, take what you want out of the cabinets, leave the rest. The appliances, except the stove and refrigerator, belong to the property owner. These are unique. They're like lockers used for whatever, Ultra HD. And the contents, there's a cart. There's another one of those toolboxes. Coming into the living room, we've got a beautiful little 2-seater portable bar, TV. There's a TV behind the bar and a laptop in the box. I think it's a Dell. Oh, come on. I'll open that up later. It looks like a Dell. It's an old one. It's heavy. All of that. The contents. The living room. There's this toolbox used for storage. It's a nice rolling toolbox. The 4 of these are retail value, according to the owner, about $2,400. Bicycle has a Walmart value of $7,900. $79, excuse me. Couch, houseplants. These things, unsearched bins. The bathroom, lots of linens in here. If you need closets, if you don't, we'll donate them to the dog shelter in your name. And then there's bedroom 1, filled with stuff. You got electronics, art, unsearched bins, bunch of penis hardening, testosterone something, shoes, clothing, bins, you name it. Coming back into here, you don't get the washer and dryer, but there are more linens, clothes, whatnot. Coming back to the back bedroom, hats, bed, the drawers, the chest of drawers, another TV, another laptop. This is a gateway on this one. There's a Bose that flipped on and it fired up for us right there. A little Bose unit. I don't know if there's extra speakers or what kind we've got here. There we go. There you go. All that just to get to the Bose. But the remote is intact. Jars of tchotchkes. Stuff in here. And this is a big, you go like a little lighter. Is that a camera? No, it's an Amsterdam lighter. Some little pot smoking stuff. Skull, mirror. 2 more closets, bags. These are all unsearched. Nobody's gone through. That looks like men's jewelry right here. Maybe we should go through it. I don't know. Take a few pictures. Men's rings, jewelry. Oh, well. Okay. There we go. That could be some gold, silver. This is totally unsearched. You're getting it intact. We tried to get the man to come and get his stuff. The drawers are all packed. Whatever's in them, you get to dig through. Stuff in here. Stuff in here. And the auction is take what you want, leave the rest. Abandoned personal property auction at theauctionarium.hibid.com. Thank you very much for watching our short film.